After several harvests indoors, you can take your mushroom kit outside and often get additional fruitings. All you have to do is take the kit out of the box, place it in a shady area, and check it after rainfall. Another incredibly easy way to get more life out of your spent mushroom growing kit is by taking it out of the box and out of the bag and planting it in a garden bed. This mulched potato bed will make the perfect second home for this golden oyster kit. Let's do it. Although it doesn't have as much vigor as a fresh bag of spawn, this has a bunch of life left in it. We can mix this with other material and it can grow more mushrooms for us. All we need is a hamper and some fresh hydrated straw. Keep this thing on your porch or in your backyard. Keep it watered and it should give you mushrooms in just a couple months. Your spent mushroom kit makes a great addition to mulch, and with any luck, the mycelium will spread throughout and you'll get more mushrooms. Now that it's out of the box, crumble it out of the bag into your wood chips. You don't want the kit fragments sitting on top of the mulch to dry out, so if you have more mulch, put another layer on top. If you don't, that's okay. Just use your hands to work the kit fragments into the mulch. Now we're going to hit it with some water to kickstart the mycelium.